How to unswipe on Yubo app. So Yubo app is basically like other dating apps, but you can make friends here. So it's specifically to make friends, and it follows the popular swipe left and right to add or match or unmatch your friends or another person. So I'm going to show you how you can unswipe on this app. First, open the app and make sure to log into your profile. And if you accidentally swipe left when you should have swiped right, then what you can do is, if you've swiped left, then you can find this little button right here. So you can tap on this button right here, and this will open up this reverse swipe. So here is a currency in app that's called Ubucks right here. You can earn them by watching videos, or you can buy the premium version of the app where you can get unlimited reverse swipes. So basically, if you want to reverse it, you can just spend 30 Ubucks. Right now I don't have enough because I just have 10 Ubucks right now. So if you have enough U-Bucks, it takes 30 U-Bucks to reverse your swipe, so you can match with them. And that's how you basically unswipe on this app. You just have to watch videos and earn U-Bucks and just reverse the swipe by spending 30 U-Bucks. I hope this video was helpful, and if you found this helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel, and I'll see you on the next one. Thank you for watching.